Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing another unboxing video. I will be unboxing the Glow Addict beauty box for the month of June. Already, this box looks way cuter than last month's. It is blue and sparkly, says the name. Last month was just a plain old brown box. So already off to a better start. This is my second month getting this one. They're $20 a month, I think. Alright. Ooh. This is so freaking adorable. It is a beauty blender and it's soft. Oh my god. I don't know what the purpose of a soft beauty blender is, but I love it so much. I could just pet it forever. Also, sorry if you can hear Kumo. He's eating a treat and he likes to be near me, so he's underneath my chair. Oh my god, this is the best thing I've ever felt in my life. Alright, next up, CBD Coffee Lip Scrub. Can't read, it's very small. I think smells like CBD coffee, that's for sure. I think a lip scrub is like you just put on your lip for a little bit and then scrub them around. It's supposed to like exfoliate. That is interesting. I'll have to give that a try. It kind of smells gross, you're not gonna lie. And some lashes. Aloha lashes. The packaging is really cute. These could work. We shall see. I think after this, I'm gonna film me trying on some of the things, so we'll see how I like them. Last month, I thought I was gonna like the lashes. It turns out I did not, because the band was too thin and it would not stick on my eyes. I wore them to work and I had to reapply them like 3 times, and usually I never have to do that, so that was super annoying. So hopefully these ones are better. The packaging's cute though, and they look pretty long, so that's promising. And next I have the lower lift. It says it's for firming and lifting. I'm confused, very confused. Customized upper and lower sheet mask for your skin. Okay. It's you put it around your ears. I'm so confused. It says after cleansing, prepare the skin with toner. Take off the sheet mask and apply on the face starting from the center. Stretch out the sheet to fit the face and place the ear loops around each ear. Pull up the sheet hanging below the chin to fit along the lines of the chin and place the ear loops around each ear. Remove the mask over 10 to 20 minutes. So you get a lower mask and then an upper mask, it seems like. Oh, okay, so there's some variety in here and there's like different types it could be. They tell you what kinds they could have. There's calming, hydrating, firming, and lifting. Those are the different options apparently. And mine says it's firming and lifting in here, okay. So apparently there's 2 masks in here. One's for your bottom face, one's for your top face, and they do different things. That seems stressful, honestly. We're gonna try that out though. And then this looks really cute. I'm excited. I love the packaging. Oh my god, we match. A little eyeshadow palette from the brand Medusa's Makeup. I've never heard of this before. Fake nails, perfect for cutting into plastic. Kumo's going hard over there. This is interesting. I'm not usually a fan of sparkly eyeshadows just because they're really hit or miss. But we have 4 mattes, 4 shimmers, and then actually 5 shimmers, and then 2 like this looks like more compact glitter. I like these ones more. Alright, so that is that. I'm going to look up all the prices for everything because they once again did not have a little sheet telling me the prices. So I'll look up all the prices, see how much money, how much my box was worth. So 1 second. So I just tried to look up all the prices for the things, and the lip scrub, could not find it anywhere. I can't even find a brand name on here. I'm probably blind, but the font is like freaking tiny, so I can't see. I don't know how much that is. This, no idea what brand it is. Don't know how much it is, so, but I love it so much. These lashes, no idea how much they are. I would probably guess like 5 to 10 though, I'm not sure. Don't know what brand this is either. I tried. I really did. The eyeshadow palette I was able to find, and it said $24. So already getting your money's worth with just this palette. And then I looked up this mask. This mask is $14. It's more than I would spend on a mask personally, but alas, here we are. So definitely got our money's worth with just these 2 items, not even knowing how much the rest of them are. Got our money's worth. So compared to last month, I like this one better. I would definitely use these colors more because I like bright colors. The last month was very matte, neutral, just boring. But I like colorful stuff, so this is definitely more for me. I wonder if they did it for Pride Month, because if so, that would make sense. But they didn't have any insert to tell me anything, so who knows? Okay, so now I'm going to skip ahead and we're going to try out all these products. See you later. Alright, so now I'm going to try the products. I'm first going to try this mask set. And it says I have the firming and lifting set. So there's going to be an under eye part and then a mouth part, it looks like. Obviously it's another day than I filmed the first part of this video. This on my hair. Oh my god, liquid just flew across the room. There's a lot of liquid in there. Oh my god, so liquidy. Who wants to be invited? I'm gonna have to put these things around my ears. Okay, this looks like the nose. So it reaches the tip of the nose. Is this my mouth hole? Okay, I think this is for my mouth. Maybe my mouth is just supposed to be covered. I honestly don't know what's happening here. I don't know. Do I have a mouth? I don't get a mouth, I don't think. I'm very confused. And this is supposed to reach. I don't even know if you can hear me. This is supposed to reach to my ears so it can sit there like a mask. But like, this is horrifying. Okay. Okay. Well, you've done it. I don't know why my mouth is covered up though. But it looks like it's supposed to be. And I don't know why. This is supposed to sit on for 20 minutes. Like, what the hell is this?
Oh, it's scary. Like a burn face it.
Alright, well that face mask was the worst thing I've ever done. I hated it. Even if it was good for my skin, I don't care. I hated it. Why was it covering my mouth? I'm pretty sure I put it on right because that little diagram looked like my mouth should be covered, but I don't know why. It hurt my ears. Everything sucked about it. Don't recommend it. Okay, now I'm going to try this little CBD coffee lip scrub. I don't really know how to use lip scrubs. I'm pretty sure you just rub around for a little bit. Supposed to exfoliate or something, I'm not sure. It didn't tell me anything. It has like the tiniest font in the world in the back, so it might have been telling me something on there, but I can't read it. So I'm just gonna dip in my nail. I thought this would be more liquidy. It's very hard. Okay, definitely smells delicious. It smells like coffee. I want to eat it. I don't know if I can, to be honest. I don't know if it's edible. I'm not going to eat it. Be right back. I'll wash it off. Alright, the next thing I'm going to use is this beauty blender. It's fuzzy. I just looked it up and it said it's like microfiber or something like that. And I looked it up and people said to use it for applying powder. So I'm going to do the rest of my makeup. And then when it comes time to use the powder, I'm going to use this. So be right back. Alright, so I did my base of foundation and concealer. So now I'm going to do my powder. I usually just use a normal dry beauty blender, but we're going to try it in this fuzzy eye and see how it compares. I've seen it before, but I never knew why people would use them. And they're so cute. It feels like a little pillow on my face. I don't know like the pros and cons of this versus normal, but love the feeling of it. It feels very nice and soft. I'm probably gonna use this from now on just because my other one's looking a little dingy. And this is looking very cute. So weird, like this just came in the box. It doesn't even have a package. It just was just sitting in there. So I don't know what brand this is or anything. But I do like it, so yeah. And the next thing I have, the last two things I have are lashes and eyeshadow. So I'm gonna do the rest of my stuff before those steps and I'll be right back. All right, I'm going to do a rainbow eye because I have all these beautiful rainbow colors. I've done this look before, but not with the same palette. So I'm gonna try to do a little rainbow around my eyelid like that. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go for it. Using this little brush so I can try to be precise. Pigmented so far. And between colors, I'm just gonna wipe off my brush with a Kleenex. This orange is a little on the faint side. The palette that I usually use to do rainbow looks is by Colored Rain, and it's real pigmented. I have to do a lot to get like any of this orange. Alright, let's see with the yellow. Where are you? Okay, the yellow is very faint. So all of those the colors I just used were the matte ones, and now they turned to sparkly. So this will be interesting. Sparkly green. Okay, that's pretty pigmented. It's kind of weird though, like some of them are shimmers, some of them aren't. Okay, blue, where you at? Kind of messed up. I made the red like way too big, and now there's like no room for the purple and the blue. There's like no room for the purple. I can't believe I've done this. Right where the purple is, it looks like I got punched. Beautiful. This palette is definitely alright. The other one, this one's by Medusa's Makeup. I've never heard of this before. I definitely would recommend the other brand, Colored Rain, better. Because they're all matte, which I prefer. And they're all very pigmented. These ones are okay though. I'm just gonna clean this up with a little concealer and then put some lips on, and then I'll be back to do the lashes. Alrighty, I'm back. I cleaned up my lids a little bit with concealer and then put some pale eyeshadow on top to make it look like a cut crease. Some lips on. Now I'm ready to put the lashes on. So these lashes, this is them. They're looking a little small for my taste, so we'll see. I always like to take them off with tweezer. Okay, this is looking real small. I don't even know if I'm gonna want to wear these, to be honest. Okay, that's not too bad. When I first get a new pair of lashes, I like to trim the edges so that they don't make my eyes look droopy or don't stay glued down. When I cut them, I cut from the outer corner rather than the inner corner. So it's the tiniest little eyelash. I would never normally wear something this small because I am a big lash gal. I keep getting lash glue on my thumb. Alright, this was quite the process. These lashes are actually really cute though. if you're into a more natural look. And I tried to find the price of them. I couldn't even find them online though, so like I have no idea what brand they are or how much or where to buy them. So that's quite unfortunate. When lashes are like so little on me and I don't like that, I just add more mascara on top of the fake lash because sometimes it makes them look a little more full. Yeah, this is helping quite a bit. Alright, there is my video showing you guys what I got in my Glow Addict beauty box and showing you how the products worked. I hope you liked it. Comment down below with your thoughts if you wanted me to do more of these. I canceled my subscription with this box, but I can do it again if people liked it. I don't know. Tune in for the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!